Probably no folks on.
Y'all, 2 tires and a freaking oil change. Do y'all see the total? $229.80. Y'all, if I had known, I'd have been with 1 tire. I let the oil change stay clear. Hold off on the oil change till another time. And then Dab go get the most expensive oil change. Oh, it's bullshit. He go get the most expensive oil change.
Let that boy out.
$60.
Sure.
What you say?
You could let that boy out.
I could let what part out?
Yeah.
He gonna say I could have left that part out. No, I could. Cause why you gotta get the most expensive? He ain't get the money in the middle. He gonna get the most expensive. Is it driving any different?
No, hold up with it. I'm still trying to wait till we get down on the long stretch.
But anywho, I'm going to get my nails